हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है अंकित राज और स्वागत है आपका एक और नई वीडियो में गुरुकुल इंडिया की। आज हम करने वाले हैं कैलाश चंद्र की वॉल्यूम नंबर 2 की ट्रांसक्रिप्शन नंबर 23 @100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। अगर आपको 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट वाली डिक्टेशन चाहिए तो वो मैंने अपनी दूसरी प्लेलिस्ट के अंदर रिकॉर्ड कर रखी है, आप उससे भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। 10 सेकेंड्स, 5 सेकेंड्स। Madam Deputy Chairman, when the House rose for lunch, I was discussing the response of the public to the loan program of the government and was trying to point out that it was rather a serious tendency in the sense that the response of the public had been proved to be poorer during the 10th plan period than during the 9th plan period. I was trying to point out that looking to the fact that the national income was rising and the people were becoming more conscious of a developing economy and the need to mobilize the resources more and more, a contrary trend ought to have appeared, and that in view of that, this trend was disturbing. This trend is to be contrasted with the trend of the public regarding the call from the corporate sector for the investment of their monies. Here we find that the shares of some of the new companies or of the old companies that are issuing new shares are oversubscribed at times to the extent of 15 times the capital that has been asked for by the companies. So here are two pictures. One, the picture of the government asking the public to subscribe to the public loans, and the other, the picture of the response of the public to the corporate sector demanding investments from the public. While on the one hand there is an enthusiastic response to the demand from the corporate sector, on the other there is a very poor response as far as the loan program of the government is concerned. This is a matter of some concern, and I feel that the government should pay more attention than just exhorting the people to save more and to hand over their savings to the government, as the Honorable Finance Minister has done more than once. If it would have been merely a question of rediverting the money that is coming from the corporate sector to the public exchequer in the form of loans, perhaps the matter would not have been so serious. Then it would have been just a question of reallocation of the function between the public sector and the private sector. But I feel that there is a large amount of money which is just changing to some lucrative channel, and that explains why the response to the demand from the corporate sector is 15 times. ये थे 400 वर्ड्स। आई होप सो आपसे ठीक से लिखा गया हो। अगर आपसे ठीक से नहीं लिखा तो आप एक दो बार प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, नहीं तो 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट वाली वीडियो को भी ट्राई कीजिए। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ मुझको सब्सक्राइब कीजिए जिससे कि आप मेरी और वीडियोज़ देख सकें। थैंक यू। दिस इज़ अंकित राज साइनिंग ऑफ।